Welcome to the 12th session of Management Accounting, 5th semester of BBA, Bangalore University. In this session, we are going to learn liquidity ratios. Recap of previous class. In the previous session, we discussed liquidity ratios, concept and problems. For this purpose, we are doing another case study here. That is, the following is the balance sheet of New India Limited. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2019. Here we have the balance sheet of New India Limited. On the liabilities side, there is a 9% preference share capital of rupees 5 lakh, equity share capital of rupees 10 lakh, 8% debentures 2 lakh, long-term loan 1 lakh, and the current liabilities are bills payable rupees 60,000, sundry creditors 70,000, bank overdraft 30,000, and outstanding expenses is rupees 5,000. The total liabilities column is 19 lakhs 65,000. When it comes to assets, the intangible asset goodwill is 1 lakh. The fixed assets are land and building rupees 6 lakh 50,000, plant 8 lakh, furniture and fixtures 1 lakh 50,000. The current assets are bills receivable rupees 70,000, sundry debtors 90,000, bank balance 45,000, short-term investments 25,000, prepaid expenses 5,000, and stock rupees 30,000. The total assets is 19 lakh 65,000. And they are asking us to find out current ratio, acid test ratio, and absolute liquidity ratio. To calculate all these ratios, we have already discussed the formulas. Let's go for the solution. First one, we calculate current ratio. To calculate current ratio, we need current assets and current liability. The current assets are in this problem is 70,000, 90,000, 45,000, 25,000, 5,000, and 30,000. Means the current assets of the balance sheet. So the total will give you rupees 2,65,000 as current assets. Current liabilities 60,000, 70,000, 30,000, and 5,000. The total will be 1,65,000. The formula is current ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. Then apply the values. Then you will get current ratio of 1.61. Quick ratio. It's also called as acid test ratio. To find out quick ratio, we need to calculate liquid assets. Liquid assets is equal to current assets minus stock and prepaid expenses. Current assets we already calculated it, that is 2,65,000. From that current assets we need to less stock rupees 30,000 and prepaid expenses rupees 5,000. Then it will become liquid assets as 2,30,000. Liquid liabilities, current liabilities minus bank overdraft. We already calculate the current liabilities, that is 1,65,000 minus bank overdraft in this problem is 30,000. So it will become 1,35,000 as liquid liabilities. Then apply the formula. Quick ratio is equal to quick asset divided by liquid liabilities. Apply the values. Then you will get the quick ratio as 1.7. Absolute liquid ratio. Absolute quick assets is equal to cash and bank balances plus marketable securities. Cash and bank balance is rupees 45,000 and securities were rupees 25,000. Then the absolute quick assets will become rupees 70,000. Apply the formula. We already calculate the current liabilities. Absolute liquid ratio is equal to absolute quick assets divided by current liabilities. Apply the values. Then you will get the absolute liquid ratio is 0.42 or 0.42. Thank you. Have a nice day.